Namaskar. This is the pure magnet in front of you, and today I've got a very interesting subject. Let me sing a song for you. ना सोना ना चांदी किताबों से हमको प्यार ना सोना ना चांदी शिक्षा से हमको प्यार. It means in English, I do not love gold, I do not love silver, but I love books. I do not love gold, I do not love silver, but I like education. I love education. Let me show you something. Book of mental toughness. Idioms. Sherlock Holmes. The art of dealing with people. Book of Proverbs. How to behave. Book of etiquette and manners. Attitude is everything. Jeff Keller. So many ways to find happiness. They laughed at Galileo. Being Happy by Andrew Matthews. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. Why am I telling all this? The theme of today's video is why be educated? हमें क्यों शिक्षित होना है? यह जो वीडियो मैं आज दिल से बनाया हूँ, बड़ी तैयारी से मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाया. I prepared a lot for making this video. The reason being, I love books, I love education. I am madly in love with education. I love reading, I love studies. It is true that you can earn lots of money. You can be a millionaire without being educated. I know lots of people, those who have not gone to schools or college, they do not have a university degree, but they're very smart, very intelligent, very clever, and they earn lots of money. But now the question is, then why be educated? If somebody can earn money without having sufficient education, is education really important? The answer is yes. Education is vital to live a quality life, to live a good life, to live a life of happiness and well-being. I'm going to give you the 5 reasons for being educated. First is comprehensive understanding. When we go through a formal training or informal training, we need to understand a subject in totality, and that is where education helps a person to gain a comprehensive understanding about a subject, a total understanding. So it is not about just scoring good marks, it is about understanding what you are learning. Okay? In totality, it is about why a thing is done, what is to be done, and how it is to be done. Theory and practical. So first point is comprehensive understanding. That is where education helps a person. Second reason is creative thinking. Have you heard the expression lateral thinking? Lateral thinking was invented by Edward de Bono. I am a die-hard fan of lateral thinking. What is lateral thinking? It is creative thinking. It doesn't discourage vertical thinking. Vertical thinking is linear, straight. You think about the solution. Lateral thinking is creative thinking, looking beyond the obvious. You have many options to resolve an issue, and you use the most effective option for what is required. So lateral thinking is a form of education. Okay? So how education helps you? It helps you to use your creative thinking. You can think for yourself. You should not be a copycat, just copy and write. No, you must think for yourself. Out of the box thinking. Think differently. think in an unconventional way. So that is where education helps a person. Third is improvement. The room of improvement is the biggest room in the world. It goes on and on and on. And education helps a person to improve. We all need improvements. Nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect. So I can be better than yesterday, and I can be better tomorrow than today. So it is all about improvement, and that comes from good education, formal education as well as informal education. Fourth feature is growth. Education helps a person to grow not only financially but also internally, emotionally, psychologically, isn't it? As a tree grows, it gives fruit. So we also, as an individual, we should not only grow by age. Age is just a number, but we must grow as individuals, as a person. And education helps a person to grow until his dying day. It is a never-ending process. And the fifth point, a surprise point for you. When a person is truly educated, yes, I repeat, when a person is truly educated, he doesn't have any regret. जब एक इंसान सच में शिक्षित होता है, वो उस इंसान में कोई भी पछतावा नहीं होता. शायद वो गलती करता है, लेकिन ऐसा कार्य नहीं करता कि वो सोचता है अरे मुझे वो करना चाहिए था. And that is a quality of an uneducated person. People who have a university degree, but if they live a life of regret, it shows that they are not truly educated. A person who is a master of education doesn't have any regret because he lives life with lot of care. He makes mistakes, but he corrects it immediately so that he doesn't need to regret. So these are the 5 reasons for you and I to be educated. First, comprehensive understanding. Second, creative thinking. You can think for yourself. Third, improvement, correction. Fourth, growth. And fifth, no regret. So these are the 5 points according to my stance about education. I love education. I value education. So I encourage everybody to value education because education helps us to develop skills and live wisely. Thank you for watching this video.